What's going on, traders? It's Tyler from tradewithtyler.net. Thank you for joining me for another technical analysis video. Today we're going to be going over CREG, CREG on the stock ticker. This stock has a 10.98 million share float from my most recent data. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me in the comments. I did not see any fundamental news either that I could find off the bat. If I'm wrong, correct me. I really appreciate that. Go ahead and leave a comment and I will appreciate you very much. So let's go ahead and start the technical analysis. Let's get right into this. We are going to be talking about the 15-minute chart. This is an unscripted video, so stick with me as we go along in this. Each bar is 15 minutes long, in case you didn't know already. Let's go ahead and start by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance sitting right here at 51 cents. We got our support sitting here at 45 cents. You can see the VWAP is sitting right along there, and after hours is this shaded area is after hours, and the dark is market hours. Let's go ahead and put our median right at about 48 cents. It's right about there. So we can see that we are sitting at about 47 cents, so just below the median, but this is after hours. We can see there was not much action going on. It pretty much just ranged in the same spot right along the median line. So overall we're looking bullish, but for after hours the indication is showing a neutral stance. It's not showing us bullish, it's not showing us necessarily bearish either, because I mean we just had this big move, so you can't just say that either, right? Overall I would say more bullish, obviously. So let's go ahead and get into this. What I would do for tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for the continuation bullish trade on this one. I want to see the uptrend continue. So what I want to do, what I'm going to be doing, is this level right here at 51 cents is absolutely crucial. Okay? So what I'm going to be looking for, this median is important, yes, but the fact that we stopped here and range here after hours makes it kind of obsolete. Makes it really, we're sitting here. But after hours shows here. Really, after hours is really unpredictable. It could move around a lot. It could fling one direction. You never know. All we can do is predict how the setup will be. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to set an alert. I'm going to do it right now, right in front of you guys, at 51 cents. That way, when this momentum does return, and if it does return and it pushes us back above this 51 cents, I'll know right away without having to check the chart every 5 minutes, right? Because I don't want to. Nobody should be doing that. That's gonna clog your brain. You're gonna get too worried. You're gonna get, you know what I mean? Don't do that to yourself. Just set an alert. Go relax. Drink a mimosa. Chill by the pool, and then check it later, right? When you see that alert break here at 51 cents, next thing I look for is that retest off 51 cents. I want to see stabilization, because I don't want to see it go back down here, right? If I see it break back down, then I'm like, oh, okay, well, I just walk away then, right? And I'll maybe set an alert again. But if it does stop here and it, gives us a shooting star, hammer, engulfing, whatever the case may be, and level 2 is looking good, and we have the volume coming in, I don't see any more sellers, right? All the big sell blocks are gone. Then what I do is, once I see that momentum return, I have my order, like always, above the pullback point, right? Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, like I say all the time. But for example, we're gonna say it's right here. It might be for a minute, it might be for 5 minutes, right? It doesn't matter. The fact, I just want to see it pull back quick, because I want to make sure that we're not going like that. I want to see it stop, stabilize. And obviously if we just kept going up, there'd be no way for me to get in. We need to see it set up so we can enter, right? Because you don't ever chase. Do not ever chase a trade, right? And you can see that we did push back up right on this median line. So that's what I was talking about. That's why I was like, it doesn't really matter if we break either way below this median, because we're pretty much going to range in here, I think, for the rest of the after hours, in my opinion anyway. So again, I would have my order ready here once I see that stabilization and momentum return. That way I can ride that euphoria up to this next resistance up here at about 59.58 cents. So this is the bullish play I'll be looking for. This level here at 51 cents is absolutely crucial. Definitely set an alert. Definitely That way you don't have to watch every 24 hours on the dot, right? Just set an alert, that way you can go relax and come back and see it when you need to. Now I know most people are not shorting the stock. I'm not shorting it. I know a lot of people can't even short with their brokers. But if you are shorting or you're holding stock, you want to know what people who are shorting are looking for, or if you just want to learn how people short, then pay attention, because this is important. It's good to know at least, right guys? Come on. We don't have to we understand there's people shorting, there's people on both sides of the market. We got to know how each play. So for me, what I would do if I was shorting, sometimes I do short, but I'm not shorting this one. 100%. So 45, because I don't like, first of all, I don't like to short stocks that are below $1, and I get gut feelings when I feel like, and I'll let you guys know if I'm shorting a stock or not, but this stock I'm not shorting. But there is people shorting this, so let's go ahead and talk about what they are going to be looking for, right? This level right here at 45 cents is where I would set an alert if I was shorting, because a break below there would definitely give me the indication that we're going to be heading back down to this support here at 38 cents, right? But what I want to see first, that this way I don't just have to hop in and guess. Just like up here, you don't want to hop in and guess, because if you hop in and guess and it swings back around, you enter, right, while it's going up. You enter while it's going up, and then it just swings back down and takes you down. Then you have no one but yourself to blame at that point, because you didn't give yourself the confirmation you needed. You didn't give yourself the confidence. So again, this level here at 45 cents for the shorts, the bears, I look for that break, I look for that retest. Again, just like here, to make sure that if we do find support here, I don't get trapped in a short and have to sell it for a loss up here, right? So what I do is I would wait, and I do short like this on other times, but this stock, again, I'm not going to be shorting, but if I was, I would look for that retest off this 45 cent, and I'd look for that rejection. Once I've seen, bearish hammer, bearish shooting star, bearish engulfing, just like always, and I have that momentum, I have my confluence factors going. Everybody has their different confluence factors, right? Whatever the case may be. The main thing is the setup, but obviously you want other things to confirm your bias. And again, so once we see that retest, that break and retest off 45 cents, that momentum pushes us lower. There's no more buyers. There's only big blocks of sells. People are selling into the ask. You're watching the level 2s. And that's when I have my sell order ready right below that pullback point, wherever it is. In this example, it's here. That way, when this momentum does return, I ride that fear. And I ride that momentum, that selling momentum, because you'll see we'll be below the VWAP at that point, so we'll be underwater. Most buyers will be underwater. This moving average will swing in and price swing down, so we'll be averaging down. And these are things you want to watch out for if you're holding stock, or if you're whatever the case may be, or if you're shorting. Obviously, you want to look out for that. That way, so when this momentum does return, I would ride that down to this next support down here at 38 cents. So this is the short play. This is the long play. Longs, watch 51 cent. That is your level. That is the main level to watch. That's what I'll be having. I have an alert here already set, you can see. And for shorts, watch 45 cents. That is the crucial level there for you. Now, I hope this video did help you. If it did, click that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And then also support me by sharing this video on Facebook, Stock, Twitch, Twitter to anybody that wants to learn how to trade. I really appreciate that. And also, if you're looking for my trade signals, you can get alerted about trades like this. A lot of times you'll get alerts just for trades just like this sent directly to your phone. Every trade I take, you get sent to your phone, and then 5 minutes later I send the chart with the setup, everything with the same trade to your email. So it's definitely very nice. And then also you get full access to my private trading course. Definitely check it out at tradewithtyler.net. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Peace.